Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Distinguished judges and esteemed participants, my name is Hana Danya Jahidi, and I am here representing my team from SK Pagantay Pagtuaran, Sabah, Malaysia. I am joined by my dedicated team member, Chico Baharudin Bidin, who has been instrumental in developing this innovation. Today, we invite you to imagine a world where potty training, one of the most challenging milestones for autistic children, is an adventure of empowerment, not anxiety. According to the CDC's 2023 Autism and Developmental Disabilities Monitoring Report, 1 in 36 children are diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder. Research published in the Journal of Autism and Developmental Disorders shows that toilet training typically takes 1.6 years longer for autistic children compared to neurotypical children. Published research from Autism Research Journal identifies key challenges: sensory sensitivities, need for routine, and communication difficulties significantly impact toilet training success for autistic children. Current market solutions include generic apps such as those found on major app stores, which typically focus on neurotypical children and lack autism-specific features such as sensory considerations, routine predictability, and individual pacing. LIONLOO introduces several novel approaches to this challenge. Structured visual sequence learning, based on visual learning principles from the TEACH method. Gamifications and routine elements combines positive reinforcement with predictable sequence that autistic children prefer. Gamification of routine elements combines positive reinforcement with predictable sequence that autistic children prefer. Individual progress tracking allows customization for each child's unique needs and pace. Let me demonstrate LIONLOO's key features. Nice visual sequence based on task analysis methodology recommended by behavior analysts. Line avatar progression system providing consistent positive reinforcement. Time tracking features to help identify patterns and optimal timing. Individual child profiles allow personalized experiences. Admin dashboard for parents and caregivers to monitor progress.
Go to the toilet now. Take off your pants. Enter the toilet. Sit on the potty. Pee or poop time. Wash your bottom. Wash your hands. Put on your pants. Great job. You did it.
LIONLOO's potential contribution is grounded in research-backed benefits, healthcare impact. Studies show that successful toilet training reduces family stress and medical consultations. Educational impact: toilet independence is often required for mainstream classroom participations. Market analysis based on available data, CDC data, with 1 in 36 children diagnosed with autism, this represents a significant market need. Global markets. Grand View Research estimates the autism spectrum disorder therapeutics market at $3.2 billion by 2028. LIONLOO targets efficiency improvements, time, structured approach, may reduce training duration, cost, lower cost than intensive behavioral interventions, accessibility, available 24/7 on mobile devices. Distinguished judges, LIONLOO represents evidence-based innovation and autism support technology. Our next steps include formal research collaboration of university autism centers, pilot studies with documented outcomes, and partnerships with autism service providers for validations. LIONLOO, supporting autistic children's independence through innovation. Thank you.